The bike is basically ready for a test ride. Still waiting on a couple things, but as of now, I gotta put the battery on it and run some fuel on and turn that key. Give it a little choke. All right, check it out. So as you might have heard it running there, it was knocking a little bit. One of the push rods in the rear cylinder was out a little bit. So I went ahead and I adjusted that. It's cold now, it's the next day, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it outside and I might try and take it down the block. So I'm still running no front brake at the moment. And obviously still need a couple things, but I got my GoPro and my helmet, which I'm super salty that I forgot my GoPro yesterday, because a good friend of mine invited me up to his place in PA, and then he tossed me the keys to his brand new Pan America CVO, and we did about 200 miles up in the Catskills, and I'm so bummed that I didn't bring my GoPro. First ride. Good work. All right, so the test ride wasn't terrible. Definitely gonna adjust the chain. It's a little loose. That might have been some of the vibration I was getting, but real quick, I was working on the light. I had to play around with some of the wires there, but that all works now. I've got a low beam, high beam, but that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and button this light up, and I'm gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna post it and then stick around because I'm gonna keep doing some stuff. I got some stuff coming in this week. That's it for now. Peace.